In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best camping cooking utensils set that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. UST Klipp Utensil Set. A bargain basement price and good functionality makes the Klipp Utensil Set a great choice for car campers on a budget. For a quarter of the price of similar sets, it provided great durability and only bent slightly during that test. The fork and knife both rated good during the pasta and the salami test, respectively, while the spoon was one of the best I tried for slurping up soup, which held a high volume of liquid with a nice angle on the grip. The only ding here is weight, which I measured at 1.2 ounces above the stated manufacturer weight. I don't think these make the best option for backpackers, but for car campers and picnickers, these make an excellent, ideal budget option. Number 4. Rockkii Camping Silverware Set. Packaged for either 2 or 4 people, the Rockkii camping cutlery set comes packed neatly in a nice case and is easy to travel with. The dishwasher-safe silverware includes 4 knives, 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 stainless steel plates, and 4 reusable napkins. It also includes a cutting board, cheese knife, and wine key. The total weight of this eating utensil set is just 3.23 pounds, and we like that the plates are larger than those in most other sets. Reviews say it's easy to clean and that there's room to add other items if you want, which is a nice feature. With a quality case and nice utensils, this set is the cutest one we came across in our shopping, and it comes at a decent price. Number 3. Wealers 11-piece camp kitchen. The Wealers 11-piece camp kitchen kit comes in a variety of fun colors, making choosing your set that much more pleasant. One thoughtful feature of this utensil set is that each item has its own designated spot, so they won't get damaged in transit or misplaced. Reviewers say the kit's both sturdy and versatile. This set comes with a good-sized cutting board, a wine key, 2 knives, a barbecue fork, spatula, ladle, tongs, and scissors, all of which make cooking in the wilderness easier. Many of the reviews for this set mention that the knives are sharp and people really like them, which is uncommon in budget-friendly cooking sets. Others, meanwhile, mention that the ladle is a bit small. Another negative about this set is that the handle on the bag is reportedly easy to tear, but this doesn't affect the function of the utensils. Number 2. Bomki Grilling and Camping Cooking Utensils Set. The Bomki Camping Utensil Set comes with a ton of great tools for your campsite. The carrying case is on the large side, measuring 14.5 by 9 by 2.5 inches. The set includes tongs, a spatula, a fork, a serving spoon, a bottle opener, cutting board, heat-resistant glove, microfiber towel, and salt and pepper shakers. Stainless steel and BPA-free, the included items are well organized, and the bag has extra room for adding other items. The long strap makes this set easy to carry, and the tong stands make it easy to keep your workspace tidy. This set comes with a 2-year limited warranty on all items, along with the small business's customer support. Number 1. Life 2 Go Camp Cooking Utensil Set. Packed in a sleek, portable bag made of woven cotton, the Life 2 Go Utensil Set has everything you could need on an outdoor adventure. This small business brand delivers a lightweight and durable set with plenty of must-haves. It includes a spatula, serving spoon, serving fork, 2 knives, a silicone spatula, scissors with a bottle opener, tongs, and a cutting board. Plus, the bag has some additional space to add in your own essentials. The cutting board just doesn't cut it in terms of size. On the flip side, the knives and scissors are good when it comes to quality. The paring knife with the included peeler should be used carefully to avoid accidental injury. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you buy one of the best camping cooking utensils set. If you have any questions related to these cooking utensils set, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.